I've only ridden personally a Victory cross country one time. I, again personally, my own opinion and perspective, found it to be big and comfortable and heavy and just went down the road so smooth, so effortlessly. This is a 2013 cross country. Check the miles. Under 16,000 miles. Spike has a 106 cubic inch V-twin engine and a 6-speed overdrive transmission. Gigantic saddlebags. It'll surprise you how much they hold. Just came out of service, just came out of detail, looking like this. A few extremely minor flaws to be expected in 16,000 miles of use. But overall, a beautiful, beautiful 2013 Victory Cross Country, available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.